Hello student, this is Shalini Singh, your English teacher. Today we are gonna study about nouns, which is also known as naming words. As you know, everything in this world has a name. All names or naming words are nouns. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Words like fireman, doctor, teacher, artist name a person, and as you know, names of person is referred as noun. Thus, these all are nouns. Similarly, words like country, state, city, park, playground, etc. names a place. So, these all are nouns too. There are many words to name the things which are around us. Anything you can see, touch, hold, taste, or feel is a noun. So I hope the concept of noun is clear to you all. Now let's move towards types of noun. There are 5 types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. So let's start with proper noun. The specific name of a person, place, animal or thing is known as proper noun. The specific name, that is proper noun, always begin with a capital letter like Amit, Bruno, Redford, Coca-Cola. These all are examples of proper noun. Sia and a dog are playing with football in the garden. Here, Sia is the specific name for the girl. So, Sia is a proper noun. Let's have more examples to make it clear. Ram is going to mall. Here, Ram is the name of a person and it's exactly specify which person is being talked about. So, Ram is a proper noun. Proper noun are those which clearly specify which person, which place, which thing we are talking about. Let's see another example. She is going to Paris. Paris is a naming word and it's exactly specify which place we are talking about. So, Paris is a proper noun. Remember, names of country, state, city, names of days, months, names of festivals and holidays, names of book, trains, roads, rivers, mountains and monument, etc. are also comes under the category of proper noun. Let's move towards the next kind of noun, which is common noun. The general name of a person, place, animal or thing is known as common noun. Let me make it more clear with the help of examples. This is a girl. In this sentence, we are talking about a girl. Girl is a general name for the person. So, girl is a common noun. It is her cat. In this sentence, cat is a general name for the animal. So, cat is a common noun. She lives in a fort. Similarly, fort is a general name. It can be any fort. So, fort is also a common noun. This is her car. In this sentence, car is a general name for the thing. So, car is also a common noun. I hope it is clear to you all. So, let's move towards the next kind of noun, which is collective noun. A collective noun is the word used to represent a group of people or animal or thing. Khushi and Neha are at Animal Farm. Look at the interesting banners. They have come across the farm. A herd of cows, a flock of birds, a swarm of flies. Some common nouns have a special name when they are in a group. The word herd, flock, swarm are collective nouns used to refer group of cows, birds and flies respectively. Let's look at some more collective nouns. Pack is a collective noun which refers to a group of dogs. School is a collective noun which refers to a group of fish. Similarly, bunch is a collective noun which refers to a group of keys. A collective noun is a singular in form even though it names anything which is two or more than two. Hope this is clear to you all. Here I have given you a simple assignment which you can do by yourself. That's all for today's lecture. The rest we will study in the next lecture. Till then, study well and thank you.